Good morning, dear students. As you all know, that lesson natural vegetation and wildlife is completed. Now we have to do the map work. The map was suggested by CBSE are here. It will contain 4 type of map. In first map, you will do the vegetation type: tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, thorn forest, montane forest, and mangrove forest. For identification only, just 4 type of forest you have to study on the map. This is the picture of the map which is given in your NCERT book. You can see with the darkest green color in western coastal plain and northeast in region Assam, Mizoram, Tripura, Manipur, Andaman Nicobar. These are the area which are having tropical evergreen forest. Then tropical deciduous forest. Major portion of India comes under tropical deciduous forest. It is in grayish color. After that, montane forest. From the name you can assume that it will found in the mountain regions. Green in color, light green in color, Jammu Kashmir region, Uttaranchal and Arunachal Pradesh region. Then mangrove forest in West Bengal. You can see Sundarban Delta, where river submerge into the sea, they form delta. There only we have mangrove forest. Here this region. Then the coast of Andhra and Odisha region little bit. Majorly in India it is found in the West Bengal region. Mangrove forest, Sundariban, named after the Sundari trees. After that comes the tropical thorn forest, area having very scanty rainfall, less than 100 or 75 centimeter. Thorny bushes and cactus are found there. You can see the area Gujarat, Rajasthan, and in central India a small I portion is there which is having a tropical thorn forest. So that's all for the tropical vegetation. The first map is completed as you are looking here. Now the national parks: Jim Corbett National Park, Kaziranga, Ranthambore, Shivpuri, Kanha, Simplipal and Manas National Parks. Here you are having map which is showing the national parks in India. First, Jim Corbett National Park, that is in Uttaranchal. After that, Kaziranga, it is in Assam. Then Shivpuri, it is in north region of the MP, Madhya Pradesh, Shivpuri. Then Kanha National Park, that is in eastern side of the Madhya Pradesh region. These 4 are here. Simplipal and Manas are left. Manas is also in the Assam region. And Simplipal is found in the Odisha region. So this video contains about the vegetation and national parks of India, which you have to do in your notebook. Do it on map, show it to me. After that, paste it into your notebook. It is very simple. You can take the help of Atlas and your NCERT textbook also. Now the bird sanctuaries, Bharatpur and Ranganthito. 2 bird sanctuaries you have to locate on the map. Now the bird sanctuary, you can see the Bharatpur bird sanctuary is located in the Rajasthan on the border of Uttar Pradesh near Agra. Then second bird sanctuary, Ranganthittu, it is in Karnataka, marked by star, red star. bird sanctuary is also completed. Now we will see the next portion. Now the wildlife sanctuaries: Sariska, Mudumalai, Rajaji, Dachigam. These 4 wildlife sanctuaries we have to locate on the map of India. Locate and label on the map of India. Wildlife sanctuaries. Okay, now you can see the major wildlife sanctuaries in the map of India. The Dachigam is in Jammu Kashmir region. Very famous Dachigam wildlife sanctuaries. Okay, dear students, the Sariska wildlife sanctuary, you can see it is in Rajasthan near the border of Haryana. Sariska, it is here. Sariska wildlife sanctuary in Rajasthan. After Sariska, then Mudumulai wildlife sanctuaries. You can see the picture of Kerala. Northern Kerala contains the Mudumulai wildlife sanctuary. 2 हो गए. तीसरा आपका डाइचा. डाइचा इज इन जम्मू कश्मीर, आपको ऊपर दिख ही रहा है. 3 हो गए. एंड द रेस्ट इज राजाजी वाइल्ड सेंचुरी. इट इज इन उत्तराखंड. द राजाजी नेशनल park is in Uttarakhand. So all our map portion is completed. I have make this video. Now what you have to do, आपको 4 अलग अलग मैप बनाने हैं, उन पे लोकेट करना है, उसको मुझको दिखाना है. उसके बाद अपने नोटबुक में उसको आपको पेस्ट करना है. This will give you at least 2 number in the exam. Thank you dear students.